Hi, welcome to BlenderBoyz at Home. We're continuing on the holiday drinks theme. More multi-drinks than just single, again highlighting different ways to use BlenderBoyz products. Today we are going to do a really quick, really easy sangria. This is going to make 2 or 3 portions probably, but pretty straightforward stuff. Sangria is just usually a mixture of fruit juice and wine. White sangria with white wine and lighter colored fruit like peach, etc. A kind of, call it a more traditional sangria that we might be used to, a red sangria made with red wine and darker fruit usually. So, got a pouch of BlenderBoyz berry blend here. We've got a pitcher ice, we've got some sliced apple, we've got some blueberries in there. You can add some oranges or peaches, whatever you like. You probably want it sweeter as opposed to lime or lemon in this case. So pouch, again, really easy. Mixed fruit blend, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and we've got a bottle of red wine here. It's one of those places where maybe not the best quality wine on the shelf works. Be gentle about that. It doesn't have to be a $30 or $40 bottle of wine by any stretch of the imagination. A little stir, and if I had my spoon, but I don't, so I'm going to use the knife. A little stir. Now, you could top this with soda if you wanted. In a glass, again, you can garnish a glass with more fruit. We're just going to go right in like this. You probably want to dip a bit of fruit out, put it in the glass to make it a little prettier, but there you are. Quick, easy, multi-serving red sangria. Enjoy.
Follow us on Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn.